students. In first class we are completing rational numbers. Now irrational numbers. Before going to that, last class, what is the definition of rational numbers? What is the definition? Any number written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers, then those numbers are called rational numbers. And how to represent these rational numbers in the number line? We already completed in last class. And rational numbers between any two rational numbers, we are taking some examples and completed. And decimal form to rational form to decimal form, vice versa. These all are completed in our first class. Now today we are going to irrational numbers. How to represent the irrational numbers on the number line, and how to find two or more irrational numbers between any two rational or irrational numbers, and irrational numbers forms, how to identify these are irrational, these are rational. Today we are completing those all. Now we are going to the first irrational number definition. What is the irrational number definition? The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0 are called the irrational numbers. Now I am taking one example, root 2. Now I am taking a number root 2. Value, what is the value of root 2 by division method? Now we have to complete it. I am taking root 2 value. Root 2 means 2.000000. You have to take some zeros. Now this value is only 2. Now I am taking every two numbers bar. Long division method, you have to complete root 2 value. Root 2 value. Now I am taking 1 1 jar 1. 1 1 jar 1. Now 2 minus 1, subtract, what is the value? 1. Now next two numbers are 2 zeros. Now the number is 100. Now double this number, 1 into 2, it is 2. Now take same number here and there. Now if you take here 4, 24 4 jar. Otherwise 5, 25 5s are 25 5s are 125, more than 100. Now I am taking 4. Now already completed, then we can give the decimal 4. 4 24s. 4 4s are 16, 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 96. 100 minus 96, how much? Yes, it is 4. Now next two digits, 0 and 0. What is the number? 400 now it is. Now again same, units place double it. 4 2s 8 and this is as it is. Unit digit ni double cheyali and the tens digit is as it is. Now again same, 28. If you take any number here, write here also that same number. If you take 2 here, 282 into 2. 564, but it is only 400. Now I am taking just 1 and here also 1. 1 into 281, 281. Just subtract. 10 means 0 means it is 10, take borrowed, it is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. Now it is 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 8, it is 1. Here already 1 borrow, then it is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 1 9. 400 minus 281, 119. Now again same, unit digit is 1, double it. 1 2s are 2, 8 2. These two numbers as it is, but a unit digit you can double. Same process continue up to some places. I want just after decimal 3 digits. Now I am taking just 4 here and right here also 4. 4 4 jar 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Sorry, take next two digits, 0 and 0. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 4 8 jar 32 plus 1, 33. And 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. Now if you subtract this one, 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 3, already 1 is borrowed, then it is 8. 8 minus 3, 5. Now again take 2 digits, next 2 digits 0, 0. Like this you can continue this value. Now the value of root is 1.414 and so on. Now the value of root 2 is non-terminating and non-repeating. That means root 2 is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. That means root 2 is a irrational number. Irrational number. Now by this example you have to say every non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is a irrational number. Now we are going any two numbers. I am taking any two numbers. For example 3 and 4. In between 3 and 4 you have to find any two irrational numbers. 3 and 4. Now in between 3 and 4 there is so many numbers are there. If you take here it is 3.1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whatever. Otherwise I will take here 3.675, 676, 3, 2 and so on. These two are irrational numbers between two rational numbers. Now I am taking one more example. 3 by 4 and 5 by 3. 3 by 4 and 5 by 3. These two are rational numbers. In between these two rational numbers you have to find one irrational number. How to find? Now it is a rational. 3 by 4 means divide with 4. 3 divide with 4. It is not possible decimal. Now it is 30. 7 4s are 28. Now remainder is 2. That means it is 20. 5 4s 20. Remainder is 0. That means it is a terminating decimal. 3 by 4 is a terminating decimal. The value of terminating decimal is 0.75. Now 5 by 3. What is the value of 5 by 3? Again divide with 3. 5 divide with 3. 1 3s are 3. Remainder 2. Now it is not divisible. Then take decimal. Now it is 20. 6 3s are 18. Then we get remainder 2. And continuity is a 2, 2, 2, 2 and so on. That means 1.6666 and so on. It is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal is also a rational number. Now this value is 1.666 and so on. Now I want irrational number in between these two. 0.7, 1.6. I am taking 0.8763 and so on. It is one of the irrational number in between these two. And we can take one more number. 1.32147 like this. These two are irrational numbers in between these two numbers. Now we are going to in between root 3 and root 5. What is the irrational number between root 3 and root 5? What is the root 3? Irrational number. What is the root 5? Irrational number. In between two irrational numbers, find any two irrational numbers. Here rationals. Like that, irrational numbers. In between two irrational numbers, find one more irrational number. Now formula is, we have one formula. Root A into root B is equal to root AB. Root A into root B is equal to root AB. Now root 3 and root 5. In between these two we have a rational number, that is root 15. Root 15. We find it already root 2 value. Now using root 2 value you have to represent on number line. Now I am taking without value of root 2 how to represent on number line. Now root 2 value represent on number line. Now I am taking here it is O and unit square I am taking. That means it is a square of 1 unit. That means it is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Now I am joining the diagonal of one side. It is a diagonal. I am taking this unit square is a OABC. It is a OABC square. This is 1 centimeter and it is 1 centimeter. If it is a square, it is the right angle. By using Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to, or OB is equal to, diagonal OB is equal to root of OA square plus OB square. Using this formula we are finding root 2 value. What is the length of OA? 1 unit. 1 unit square plus what is OB? Sorry, AB, not OB, AB. AB is also 1 unit. Apply root for this. 1 square, 1 plus 1 square, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Root 2. That means the diagonal length is exactly root 2. Now using compass we have to measure it. It is the root 2 value. Now draw, take OB is the radius and draw one arc like this. Now it intersects the OX. It intersects the OX at some D. Now OD length is called the root 2. Now OD length is called the root 2. If you want root 3, find like this. Root 2 square plus 1 square. That means square root will be cancelled. 2 plus 1 square, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Root of 2. Root of 3. If you want root 3 value, find like this. Now I am taking, from here you have to draw one perpendicular line. Now it is perpendicular. Now it is the diagonal. Now it is E. Now what is OE length? Already we find it. It is root 3. OE length is root 3. Why? Because it is root 2 and it is 1 unit length. 1 unit square plus root 2 square, then we get root 3. Now here again same. OE is the radius and draw one arc using the compass. Now this value is root 3. Similarly you have to find root 5, root 6 and so on. Those are irrational numbers. Find these all irrational numbers on the represent. You have to try at home in exercise. Okay. We are completing irrational number definition, number line and 2 irrational numbers between any 2 irrational or any 2 rational. Now we are going to examine the given numbers are irrational or not. Now how to examine means we have to use some identities or some formulas. Root A into root B is equal to root AB. Root A into root B is equal to root AB. And also root A by root B. Root A by root B is equal to root A by B. And we are going third one. A plus root B into A minus root B. We know one formula in algebra. A plus B into A minus B is equal to, we know already. What is this? A square minus B square. Very good. Same as A plus root B into A minus root B. Just root B, root B. That means A into A square. Root B into root B, B. Just B. Root B whole square means cancel it. Just B. Now root A plus root B into root A minus root B. Same as root A into root A square. Square root cancel, just A. Root B whole square, B. That means A minus B. Root A plus root B into root A minus root B equal to A minus B. Now we are going last one. Root A plus root B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square means root A whole square. A plus 2 into root A into root B. 2 root AB plus root B whole square means B. Same as you have to take minus also. Root A minus root B whole square equal to A minus 2 root AB plus B. Now using these identities, examine the given number is rational or irrational. Now I am taking example 11 in the textbook, page number 13. 3 plus root 3 into, first one, 3 plus root 3 into, plus 3 minus root 3. This is a irrational number and it is also irrational number. Sum of irrational numbers, one see here. 3 plus 3, rational numbers these two are. And root 3 minus root 3, these are irrational. Plus root 3 minus root 3 just cancelled. 3 plus 3, 6. This is our answer. What is the 6? Rational number. Very good. Rational. Rational number. Now we are going the second example. 11th one, second one. 3 plus root 5 in root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Which formula? 3 plus, just third formula you can apply. A square means 3 square minus b. B means just 3. 3 square 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3? Yes, 6. 6 is also same rational number. Now we are going to the third question. 10 by 2 root 5. Yes, 10 is a rational, 2 is a rational. 2 table will be cancelled 5 times. 5 can be written root 5 into root 5 by root 5. Root 5 is cancelled. Now the final answer is root 5. 10 by 2 root 5 means it is root 5. Root 5 is a, yes, very good, irrational. Why it is irrational? It cannot be written in the form of p by q. Good. Now last question. Root 2 plus 2 whole square. Yes, you can apply this last formula. But both are having the square root, but here only one number is having. Now same, a plus b whole square, a square, root 2 whole square, 2 plus 2 into a, root 2 into b, 2. 2 into root 2 into 2 plus b square, 2 square. Now root 2 square it is 2 plus 2 2s are 4 root 2 plus 2 square 4. Again simplify, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 4 root 2. And root 2 is irrational, therefore the total number is irrational. Now it is irrational. Yes students, today lesson, I think today lesson is understandable for everyone. Once see the what we are completing today. First, what is the irrational number? How to represent the irrational number on number line, and how to find the irrational numbers between two rational numbers as well as irrational numbers and number line, and then these identities. Using these identities you have to examine the given numbers are irrational or not. By using these all, our class, today's class, you have to complete 1.2 exercise. In the 1.2 exercise, first problem, classify the following numbers as a rational or irrational. By using these formulas, for example, first one, root 27 can be written as root 9 into 3. Root 9 value 3. Root 3 value is a irrational. Now you can apply this formula and write it is irrational. Like that you can complete first exercise. Next, second problem. Explain with an example. Irrational numbers differ from the rational numbers. Irrational numbers differ from the rational numbers. Will you give one example? Yes. 3 by 4 is a irrational, but it is not a rational. Why? Because it can be written in the form of p by q. Mari irrational and which cannot be written in the form of p by q is called the irrational. Like that you have to give one example and explain what is the rational and what is the irrational. And third problem, in between two rational numbers, find irrationals. Already we completed some examples 3 and 4, 5 by 3 and 3 by 4. Like that you have to complete. Like that 1 point exercise 2, 1.2 exercise complete. Thank you.